Hello everyone, welcome to MJ and Sergi Goodies, and today I'm gonna unbox Transformer Optimus Prime. So yeah, I got all of my Transformer toys right here. Yep, of course, I'm showing them right now. Can you please like and subscribe down down below? Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Back to the video. So I really want this toy for Christmas, but I couldn't get it. But when I realized that, why is there a big present in my house? And I asked my mom, why is there a big, box? And my mom said, oh, open the present. And then when I opened the present, it was this humongous Transformer Optimus Prime toy from Lego also. It also transformed right here. Vehicle to Autobot mode. Here it is. The moment of silence. By the way, like and subscribe, please. Okay, now let's open the box. Okay, so oh, there is tape. Okay, let me get the tape. So here's the back, guys. Here's the back. Yep, it's right there, the back. And let's unbox this baby, huh? Okay, guys. You know I'm a big Transformers fan, and I really want this. So yeah. So that's why I wanted to buy this. So yeah. There's a lot of accessories. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And another one that just says Optimus Prime. And it is the gun and the axe and the stuff that Optimus Prime has. So yeah. Okay, let's do this. Just for a minute. This is gonna be the biggest thing from MJ and Sergi Goodies. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 400 subscribers. Please, just please like and subscribe, please, and notification so you'll always know every video in there. Please, if you hit 30 likes on this video, I'm gonna make a new Transformers video. Okay, and also please like and subscribe and hit the notifications, please, and thank you. Okay, now let's do this. And can you actually watch my video, please? Because some of my videos only have 12 and 4. Please. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you do it first. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. So bag number one. I think it was bag number one. This that side. And then okay, I got bag number 2. I think so. Bag number 2. Ooh, I feel something. Bag number 3. I think it's bag number 3, yeah. Bag number 3. Bag number 4. Yeah. Bag number 4. I'm gonna deep down right there. Bag number 5. Boom. Bag number 5. By the way, guys, I'm closing my eyes, okay? So don't call me when I feel, okay? And here's I forgot. Oh, 6 bag. Yep, 6 bag. Next, 7. Oh my god, this is gonna be so many. I think I can do this. I forgot how many bags there are, so yeah. bag something, bag something, bag something, and then bag something. Okay. I think that's all. Oh. No, this is the rest one. Guys, there's so many. Wait. Guys, there's so many. Look at that. Oh my god, there's gonna be so many. Guys, I think this is gonna be the biggest video that I can. So I'm gonna go fast. So yeah, okay, let's. So here. Yep. Okay. So guys, look at the instructions. It's so thin. I mean, so big. Yeah. Oh my god, I think I'm feeling so dizzy right now. I'm feeling dizzy. Oh no. Guys, please like and subscribe so you'll know what's the instructions. I'll give you 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You didn't do it. Wait, you did? Oh, thank God, thank you. Give me that of a call. Oh, yes. So magnificent. Okay, here it is. Show it like this. Guys, look at this. Guys, look. Look at it. Oh my god, this is so big. This is like so big. Okay, so look at my hand. This is my hand. Wait. Look. My hand. My scale. I'm 9, by the way. I'm turning 10 soon. In June. So yeah. Oh my god. This is so big. Oh wow. Okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. No pressure. There's no pressure. There's no pressure. It's okay. There's no pressure. There's no pressure. I promise you. There's no pressure. There's no pressure. Yeah, there's like no pressure in here. Yeah. Yeah, guys. There's like no pressure. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put this aside and let's get building. So yeah. So you see my transformers in the background. So yeah, let's get to building. Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh. Okay guys, if you want to see this in the end of the video, stay with me, okay? Or you can just say, oh, I don't want to watch this video anymore, and I'll do it later. Maybe in the future, you know, somewhere in the future, something will happen, and you don't know. So let's put these bags aside, and let's get the first bag, okay? Closing my eyes, guys. I'm gonna get this guy right here. Bag number 8. Okay, bag number 8. Please, guys, like and subscribe to this video. It will really help us. And the like and subscribe button is so free. Wow. Throw this in the trash soon after the video is posted. So another one. I think I'm done doing like 15 stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick randomly, not close my eyes. Oh wow. This is so cool. Please guys, like and subscribe again. Please. We're trying to hit 400 subscribers. So that would be a milestone for all of us. For Sergi, me, and everyone else who's supporting this video. Probably. Please support this video. I'm gonna appreciate it. Just for just one subscribe button. It will make me joy in the world. Oh, there's gonna be so many. I don't think I'm gonna do it. But guys, like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So if you're thinking, Why do I like Transformers? I thought you liked Pokemon. I do like Pokemon. Before. Just before, guys. Just before, okay? It's because that, collecting Pokemon cards and stuff, it's, I'm saying this real, guys, kind of boring. Wasting money just for this one pack and not getting anything. It makes me sad. Not getting anything. And by the way, when my brother collects Pokemon cards, he cries. You know why? It's because that, you know, I get lucky cards. So I stopped collecting Pokemon cards because of that. It makes me sad. So yeah. So many trash. Guys, don't pollute the seas or anything. I'm just opening this in the bag. No polluting anything, guys, even in the sea. Reuse and reduce and recycle, guys. That's what I do. I even make handmade puppets if you see one of my shorts. Or you don't. But it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Seeing anything there? If it's in the garbage right there? No, you're not seeing that yet. Only at the end of the video. It's very cool. Looks like a comic. Yeah. Okay. I'm good. Okay, next one. So yeah, that's why I stopped collecting Pokemon cards. Oh yeah. Oh, there's another bag. I didn't realize. There's another bag right there. I didn't realize. Oh, no losing any pieces. So yes. This can't be completed. That was a round, by the way, I think. So yeah, Transformers or Pokemon, guys? Leave it down in the comments below. Or just in your mind, okay? Maybe just in your mind if you don't want to type. Because typing is kind of, no, it's kind of, no, it's just a waste of your time. Just think it. Thinking it is kind of good for your brain. So I'm gonna put these wheels. 1 wheel, 2 wheel, 3 wheel, 12 wheel, 5 wheel, 6 wheel. Boom, 6 wheels. Complete. Slammed. That wasn't down. That was cool. Hey, this is not a This is not a sponsor, okay? No sponsoring this video because nobody asked me. What is okay? There's so much red in Transformers. And what is your favorite one? The OG? The OG, like, is it OG? Oh my god, there's so many. Raise your hand if you like OG Optimus Prime. Yeah, me too, bro. Yeah, you're my team. If you like New Prime. Ticking the time. Time's ticking, guys. Look. Okay, back to the video. Okay. It's your guys' opinion, okay? It's not mine. It's yours. Then I'll slay. I was so scared. There's so much stuff. Oh my god. There's so much stuff. Oh no, oh no. Should I do the live stream? I don't think so. Because nobody would come and join. I tried it and it didn't work. But it was alright because I can make a video still. Yay! Okay. Be careful not to lose the part. Got him. Okay. We're good. Okay. Another bag. The last bag. Boom. Slender. So much bags. Stop polluting. Okay. Hours stand still and then something hours stand for all my rose. By the way, guys, I got a haircut. If you like it, like. Boom. The haircut. Yeah. Okay, that was the last bag. Okay. Here, guys, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here is. Oh my God, that's a lot. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. Okay, yep. And here's so many. Guys, don't pollute. I'm not trying to pollute. I'm making like puppets. I'm not polluting. Reuse and reduce and recycle, guys. Once again, reuse and reduce and recycle. What is it, guys? Reduce and reuse and recycle. Once again, reduce and reduce and recycle. Reuse and reduce and recycle. Yay! Perfect. So yeah, don't you reuse and reduce and recycle, guys, please. That will help a lot. Okay, back to the video. Okay, can you see me? Okay, that's good. Okay, now. Sweet dreams are made of ease. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world, 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them wanna get used you. Some of them wanna get used by you. Okay, let's find the piece. Please, guys, like and subscribe so you can help me, guys. Please, that will help so much, guys. Please like and subscribe. This is the content that you need. So yeah. The content. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, there's so much piles. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Ah no 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 no. Let's find the easy parts first. Okay, let's gather them around. It's easier to find. Okay. But now it's more scattered. Oh no. Kate. Oh no. Oh no, I can't even find the first piece. Oh, okay, found the first piece. We have luck, guys. We have luck. Please like and subscribe so we can have luck. Please. So my eyesight will get better. Please, please. I should eat more carrots after this video. Oh no. I'm worrying too much. Oh, plastic's coming. Oh no, they're polluting the world. It's okay. Time is running in the bank. Music helps me to relax, guys. So don't say, that's weird. That's weird. Don't say that to me. Okay. The time is running in my pants. Found it! Thank Lord. That was it. It was okay. Bum, 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 bum.
Sorry kuya. Nag-live ka?
No.
Wala man naigo nimo. Because I push it.
Huh? It wasn't push.
It wasn't push.
It is push, Daddy.
Oh, lagi, that's why I'll arrange it. Kanang ganahan ka maigo ka?
No, it's a...
You can look try to arrange. Arrange
okay.
again.
Huh?
Arrange
It's okay,
again.
it's okay.
No, because you're not dili ka makita.
No, Daddy, it's okay. It's too hard.
Hmm? Okay. Love you. Ilang pieces anak ko yan,
I know. There's so much.
Just tell me if you need help, huh?
Yep.
Tell me if you need snack.
That was just a talk, guys. Dad talk. It was just a dad talk. Oh no, I can't find it. Please, guys, like and subscribe. Oh no. Okay, guys. Oh no! This is hard. Oh no. Oh my god. This is so hard. Oh, finally I found it. Oh, thank God. Okay. Need more to go. One more to go. What is it? Guys, I'm still on page 1. Oh my god. This is so much. It's okay. Oh my god, this is so stressful. Maybe some will fall down. I probably went here. Oh, find it! I found it. Okay. Found it. Okay. Got it sorted, but we need the last one. Found it! Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay, could have found it now. Please, guys, like and subscribe. I really need it. Oh my god, this is so hard. Everything for ages or stuff. No. Found it! Oh my god! I found it. Oh, found it. Oh, finally. Thank God. Okay. Next, this one. Next. Okay, finally. I got hope in my game. Watch my game. I got hope now. I got hope. Okay. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Found it. Boom. Boom. Found it. I'm so happy. Wow. Everyone happy. Okay. Come on. Please, guys, like and subscribe. That's all I want. That's all I want for you guys. Please. Thank you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. It is just one thing that needs a. Don't even care about it. I don't want Christmas spirit. Found it. Perfect. Just one thing I need. So don't even care about me. I don't want Christmas spirit. Thing that I need is don't even care about it. I don't want the Christmas spirit. Oh no, this is hard. Oh no. Please, just one more. Come on. So good. Oh my god, I need to go. Skaters.
You need help?
No thanks, it's okay.
Tell me if you need help.
Okay.
I'm just helping my MG boy.
Mm-hmm.
Before she, Daddy help, Daddy help me. Wala akong PlayStation search. Yung iPad they search. iPad. It's okay. Search at yung iPad. Ano yung iPad search?
Found it, let's go. Okay. Second page. Feels so good. Okay, next again. Hopes are coming back to me, guys. Hopes. find another. Hopes are coming back, guys. Hopes. Oh, never mind. Oh, there they are. Uh-oh, found it. Let's go. Okay. Now get two, pieces. Something got bumped. Guys, this is kind of hard. Okay. We're good, guys. Oh, my feet. It's okay. It's not the first time that I stepped on Lego. Oh no. Bum bum ba-dum. It's okay, guys. I'll get that soon. No. Oh no, guys, wait. Oh no, no. Oh no, I'm screwed. Oh no. Hope it wasn't the important part. Oh no. Okay, it wasn't the important part. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Got it. I'm not that Freddy's. Oh my god. My mind is brown. Okay, good. Okay, God. Boom. Locked in. Do it. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Here's the piece. Okay, this is what I only did so far. I think, guys, it's enough, guys. I'll do a part 2 next time. A part 2. Okay? So the sequel will come to the end. So part 2 is going to be coming next. Okay, bye, guys. See you later. Like and subscribe, please.